Hello again guys, syempre unboxing ulit na bumili ako ng controller sa Shopee, extra controller naman. Ito nabili ko din sa Shopee na ni-resell ko, so color black yung original na ito. So ito yung model na pang kasama sa bundle ng PS4 Pro. Tapos ito, hindi ko pa na-check, titignan ko pa ngayon. I-testing ko muna bago ko, pagkatapos ko i-unbox. Yun yung packaging niya. Just in case magka-problema, may proof ako. Okay, balot na balot naman yung controller natin. Safe naman siguro to. Okay. Binalot naman ng maayos ni seller. Lagay ko goods lang ito. Okay. Parang amoy kulob ah. May naamoy ko. Ganito yung amoy. Okay. Ayan. So far so good naman. Syempre second hand eh. So ayan. Hindi ko alam kung klaro. Kita ba? Hindi ata, madilim. So ayan. Sabihin ko na yung condition ng controller, ayos naman. Syempre may mga konting gasgas. Ayan, model CUHZ ZCP2U. Okay, ewan ko kung ano to. Testing. Ayan, umilaw dito. Siyempre, try natin i-connect sa ating PS4. So, nandito yung PS4 ko sa baba. Yan, eto. So, yan, naka-turn on na yan. Testing natin. Hindi natin ikakat yung video just in case. Magko-connect ba? Tapos dito. Ayan. Okay, nagcha-charge. Ilaw. Ayan, nag-connect guys. Testingin natin kung all goods. Spider-Man. Okay, pasensya na, makalat yung mesa. Algis mo yung controller, medyo nga lang, may suds na gamit siya. Siyempre naman, second hand niya. Linisan ko na lang to dito. I-open ko. So, ayan, gumagana. X. Continue. Tapos tingnan natin yung controls. All goods ba? Tingnan natin baka may ghosting to. Matagal, okay. Siyempre PS4 lang to. Napakatagal yung loading. Okay.
Doctor, how did it go with the committee?
Okay,
I'm so sorry I screwed things up.
Not at all, Peter. They're just nervous in the face of imminent triumph. They'll calm down. They always do.
Ayan, okay.
Should I head back to the lab for cleanup?
No. I'm stepping out for dinner anyhow. We'll resume tomorrow.
Okay,
Short break,
guys.
then back to creating the future.
Okay, walang ghosting. All goods.
I wish I could bottle and sell that man's optimism. Sounds like he's left the lab for the day. Good time to work on my suit in private.
Ay ko nahulog. Ayan, all goods naman.
All units be advised.
Okay, gumagana guys.
Please proceed to Bowery.
Okay, ayos. Wala na naman lahat. Ayos. Okay, dodge. Triangle nga ulit, nakalimutan ko. Okay. All goods. Ang ganda guys. Legit. Okay. Yan na siguro to. All goods naman guys. Very nice. Thank you. So, ayun lang siguro sa ngayon.
All units, a break-in was just
Ito,
reported.
lilinisan ko na
Immediate
lang.
response in Chelsea.
Medyo
Over.
madumi lang siya. Pahingi yung background. So, thank you so much sa panonood. Yun lang.